I am Dipin G P, your automobile journalist presenting you the new latest BMW 3 Series. The BMW petrol model comes with 3000cc engine, that is approximately 2998cc displacement engine. BHP comes around 368.78 at 5500 to 6500 rpm. Immense BHP is delivered from BMW. As you all know, BMW was a rocket making company. The technology is so superb. It's a 6-cylinder sedan car. It's available in automatic transmission and the mileage comes around 13 km per liter. The 3-liter twin turbo reaches 0 to 100 in 7 seconds. Boosts up 503 bhp with 79 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60 in just 2.83 seconds is enough. It has got the mind-bending acceleration. What's reflected in our mind can be reflected on the road. That's BMW. I say, this is one of the fastest 4-door cars in its segment. Top speed for this model is 156 km per hour. If you like the presentation of the BMW, please subscribe and share.